Okay, teaching dog heel. Come on, Jack. Give him objects to keep his feet busy. And then he'll pay better attention. Come on. On the stairs. Okay, so when you heel, you can use a wall or something, kind of walk him into it, stop so he's not getting ahead of you, and then stop him. Sit. Use a pressure wall to also help him line up and know where to be right next to you. Another thing you can teach the dog is circle the right. Come on, Jack. 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 Come on, Jack. Good boy. Good boy. And also if he gets ahead of you, circle left. Jack. Heel. And circle. Circle. Back. Circle. Good boy. So it keeps him from going ahead of you. Okay, come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Okay, if your dog's calling, come on, Jack. Come on. Let's go. Have him go back, and sit. So going back is a really good back. Jack, back, 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 back. Sit. Sit. And then tossing the food to catch, then it makes him sit and stay. Good boy. Your dog. Sit. Sit. Stay. Thank you. Sit. Sit. Stay. Leave it. Sit. Stay. Leave it. Good dog. Good dog.